Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Hinge application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Hinge mobile dating application, tap open your Hinge app from your app drawer. This is the first interface of a Hinge dating app. Now, you can continue logging in with Facebook or with your phone number, but make sure to use the same option that you used for signing up for your Hinge dating account. Since I've signed up using my phone number, let me tap on Continue with Phone Number option at the bottom. Select your country from the drop down and tap on your country from the list. Enter the mobile number that is registered with Hinge dating app and make sure to use the same mobile number that you used while signing up. Now, tap the arrow button at the lower right hand corner. You need to verify your mobile number, so go ahead and enter the verification code that has been received on your mobile number via SMS. Simply enter the code that you received and your mobile number will be verified and you'll be able to log into your Hinge application using mobile device. That is how it can be done. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.